Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys step by step how I make my raisin rice, vegetarian raisin rice. So I hope you guys gonna enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up. Yes, give the video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And you guys can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Cooking with Afton. And I want to ask you guys to please watch out the entire video and please watch my ads in my video. I would really appreciate it. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching, and here is my ingredients for my raisin rice. So these are my ingredients for my raisin rice. So the first thing I'm gonna do is pour some rice in my pot with water, some salt, butter, 5 spice season, give it a stir. Then I'm gonna take some water from the rice and pour it in my raisin to get it soft. Then I can put some butter in my pan and fry up my onion and my garlic for a few minutes. Now we're gonna pour in my carrots, give it a stir and let it fry up as well. Lastly, I'm going to put in my Shallots, celery, sweet pepper and give it a stir. Now I'm going to put in all my spices. I'm going to put in my chicken cube, my onion powder, garlic powder, 5 spice seasoning, ginger powder. All my measurements and ingredients will be in the description box down below. So now I'm going to pour my rice into my veggies and give it a stir. This is a simple, easy way to make your raisin rice. You're going to stir, make sure everything combined. So now you're going to put in your raisin, give it a stir, and now you're going to put in your sweet corn and give it a stir again. So this is the end results, guys, for my raisin rice. So simple and easy to make. I'm going to taste it. And then I'm going to put one more cube inside. And give it a stir again. So here you have it, guys. This is the end results of my raisin rice. And I'll be eating it today with some ripe plantain, sweet potato salad, mac and cheese, and pineapple baked chicken. Yum, yum, yum. All these videos are on my YouTube channel. I will definitely leave the link in the description box down below. So I just planned out my food there, and this is my Mother's Day lunch, guys. So I hope you guys like my video, give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Thanks for watching. Bye.